What's going on? So today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman Arrested After Regions Bank Scheme Fails Miserably." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
On December 19, 2024, officers in Panama City, Florida were dispatched to a Regions Bank in reference to a woman attempting to cash $3,000 worth of savings bonds.
Where'd you get these bonds?
I met somebody at the store, and they asked me, "Could I do this?" I don't even know what I'm doing.
So they made it out in your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know who gave it to you?
No, I don't know their name. I know their name.
Okay. Did they instruct you to send money back to them after cashing it out? Did they give you an account number, name and an
No,
account number?
just where to meet them at.
How do you know that these are
We
fraudulent?
work with these every day. It's very obvious. The color, everything.
Okay.
The IDs we have. Did they give you this ID too, or is this your actual
That's
ID?
mine.
Okay.
That's the actual one.
Okay.
Dang, they talking so low, I can't even hear them for real. Like, who still got savings bonds? That's the old, I ain't gonna lie, that's the old school method right there. That's like what our grandparents use and stuff like that. I don't really know too many people that use them nowadays, you know?
Do you have like another office that isn't being used or anything that we can?
Yeah, I can get
That way we're not out in your lobby. And so obviously, I don't know what exactly it's been explained to you or not so far. They called us about some kind of bonds or something that you were trying to cash or deposit. Okay, what's going on with those?
I met somebody at a store, and we just been talking for a couple weeks, and he was just like, he asked me to do them. I didn't know what I was doing. I told him I helped him out with
So we asked you to deposit these or cash them.
cash him and meet him later on with it.
What's his name and phone number?
I don't have his phone number. I only know his name.
How y'all been
Communicating?
yeah,
Oh, Instagram.
just through Instagram? Can you show us the Instagram account?
Oh, sorry, my phone is off. It's not working.
We were talking to somebody when I saw you outside.
Oh, yeah. I was talking to this phone. This phone.
Well, which phone is that?
This is my other phone. This don't have the Instagram on it. I was talking.
Come on, take her to jail. It's a wrap. Take her to jail. Take her to jail. She guilty. Guilty, guilty, guilty. Okay? There's somebody else, but you don't want to give up who it is? Come on, man. Every excuse in the book. You ain't got his phone number? Really? Okay, let's see the Instagram. Oh, my phone not working. Yeah, lock her up.
Okay, can I ask who you were talking to when I stopped you outside?
This one? Oh, my boyfriend.
The guy that you're talking to the Instagram. How did you meet him?
He was at a store, the black store on Crosstown.
What's it called?
Oh, not the black store. It's a store by the fairground.
Okay.
The one right there on the corner.
Okay.
We call it the black store.
Do y'all hang out?
No, I never hung out with him except for the first time.
And then he just tells you like how did he give you these? How did you get these?
Oh, he dropped them off in my mailbox. I was at work.
Your mailbox at work?
No, my mailbox at home.
Okay.
He dropped them off in my mailbox. He told me he was drop them off. And it was there when I got off.
So what was the reason? So how much money were you supposed to give him? All 3,000?
He didn't tell me anything about it. I don't know how much money is on there. I don't know. This is my first time seeing it.
You got to realize, like, obviously they're somehow flagged, right?
Yeah, I know.
There's something going on with them. So we got to put all the pieces together to, figure this out. Because right now, I mean, you're in possession of fraudulent documents that you're trying to pass. Okay. So, I mean, honesty is probably going to be your best policy. We can't coerce you into this, but I find it hard to believe that some guy just put 3 checks.
Yeah, I'm seeing we've been talking for these couple weeks. We never hung out. I only seen him the first time I seen him.
So what's his name?
His name is Octavius Johnson.
Octavius Johnson. Is he Jamaican? Is he?
Yeah,
He's Jamaican. Is there a reason he was saying he wanted you to do this? you willing to talk to?
Talk to anybody. I
Okay.
just want to know.
Well, like I said, I'm not. You're not under arrest right now, but we have to figure. Like I said, we have to put all the pieces together. Okay. You're saying it's not Octavia Johnson, right?
Yes, Octavius.
Octavius.
That's what he told me to do.
Okay. You know how to? Can you write down his name for me? You know.
If I know how to spell it. This should be. His Instagram wasn't his name, so.
You know his Instagram name by chance?
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
So how many banks did you try this at today?
This is my first time.
Okay, they said that you've went to other places today. Windhaven, Thomas Drive. Thomas Drive right here.
Yeah, that one. This one.
Okay.
She's been going through all the branches, so we knew she was coming here.
Thought she said this is the first one. This is what I'm saying. Guilty. You caught up. Once you caught, you caught. It's like, if you're gonna talk, you might as well say what's really going on. If you're not gonna talk, just say, yeah, I'll wait for my lawyer or whatever, and don't talk. But that whole catching you up in a lie and all of that stuff, like, that's just making your case way worse.
Started, I want to say probably 2 months ago, so it's been
Same
going on
person?
in this area.
Okay. So what did she tell you when she came in? Just
I'll have to ask.
so if it didn't work at the first one, why would you go to multiple?
He told me he said it's probably just that one, so he told me to try somewhere else.
Okay. And how do you know this guy?
We met at a store, the black store. We've been talking to each other, exchanging.
Does one of those look like him?
Yeah, I look like this one.
The one without a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a real one.
That's a real
That's
one.
a real one. Looks like.
She picks the one without the photo. Yo, she covering up for whoever, bruh.
So you can see the color is way different.
Yeah, and it doesn't have the.
And,
Look at the print too. That's like an old school typewriter print.
See how blurry that is up there.
Oh yeah, this up here was terrible. You see how the spacing and everything is too. It's absolutely horrid. Yeah, it's like they stole that image off of like the envelope. That's why it's about the.
Alright. How many phones do you have? 2? Alright, if you could just put them right here, we're just, like I said, while this is ongoing.
Oh, that's fine. Do I need to call anybody?
Do I need to do what?
Do I need to call anybody?
Not right now.
I'm just asking.
Is there any way that he would come up here and meet you?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Yeah.
So y'all talk exclusively through Instagram?
Yeah, we haven't been talking recently, but we just started back like this week.
Is he Jamaican?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I don't know if you gathered that these are fake.
Yeah, no.
Okay. So right now you're gonna be placed under arrest.
Take her to jail. Get on up out of here.
Yes, man, for right now. Like I said, if you give us, something where we can say that, you didn't have anything to do with it, but right now it just looks like, I mean, you're giving us a name, but in Instagram's not much, to go off of.
Are we leaving somewhere?
Yeah, we're about to go to the Big County Jail.
And then,
Will you package those for me?
So I'm getting processed and everything.
Yeah, so once we got the car, I'll let the thing do the best I can, okay?
32.
Oh, don't cry now.
So,
Give me a break.
do you have any
No,
questions?
we're about to wrap it up here.
I'll try to explain it the best I can.
Ain't no questions, honestly, because I'm going to jail. I don't want to go to jail, but I'm going, so.
Yeah, but like I said, the only thing that can help you is honesty.
82, I got that.
You're wrapped up in something that's fairly this is a serious thing. I don't know if you've ever done it before.
No, this is my first time, and he told me something happened like this in Dothan with this girl, and he just left her.
Well, that's why, you got to help us find him.
I gave y'all what I got. I mean, he said he was gonna come see me later on. That was about it.
What does he drive?
I didn't see his car when I was at the store. He was still in the store when I left.
Right. Does he work at that store? You just work there?
No, I don't work there. I was just there.
Oh, okay. You just happened to meet him there?
Yeah.
Like I said, I mean, you're in a spot, and I mean, we want to help you out because right now he's like, everything's kind of on you without us being able to say, okay, well, he put you up to this or something like that. You see what I'm saying? So I don't want you to catch all this stuff because you said, you tried it here, which is its own charge. Technically, if the county wants to charge you for the one on Thomas Drive, they can charge you for that. And then in Lynn Haven,
I haven't been in Lynn Haven.
Okay, well, they're saying that you were in Lynn Haven.
I was?
No,
this is my first. No, I just now came out
So if
here.
it's not you ain't got nothing to worry
Yeah,
about.
exactly.
Because we can't make that charge anyway.
Yeah,
But they're saying that they have you on camera at those two locations today doing it.
Oh no, just that one in here.
Okay. And that's fine. That's fine.
If that's what it is, then you have to worry about this one.
Okay.
But they're digging into it because they got to do their...
Like it's a big deal whether you went to 2 places or 3 places. You still fucked. Like, regardless. Like, no, I didn't go. I only went to 2 places, not 3. Like, that's gonna make a difference. You still screwed, man. You still lying. You know exactly who it is. You just don't want to give it up, which is fine. Which is fine. If you want to save them, that's okay, whatever. But you're gonna take these charges. And if they find the other person, you still gonna take the charges. That's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to sweet talk you and, I don't want you to, have to take the fall for this. And, if you help us help find him and, the only thing that can help you is honesty and we will be able to see that he put you up. You still gonna get charged.
due diligence, okay?
So I'll be able to bond out tomorrow?
Yeah, you'll see the judge in the morning. You'll see the judge in the morning, they'll give you a bond, and you'll be able to bond out. Okay? Now, if you're still willing, and maybe something comes to your mind, and you're willing to talk, like, I'll have a detective come talk to you. And that can only help you.
I don't know anything else unless I get on Wi-Fi around my phone. That's the only thing.
If you think anything before you get out of here, just ask, okay?
As a result of her bold scheme, she now faces serious charges, scheming to defraud and uttering forged banknotes, all for a desperate attempt to cash in on a lie.
Yeah, she cooked. She cooked, man. Which I'm surprised they didn't try to do that, because when she said that her phone was dead, excuse me. When she said her phone was dead, I'm surprised somebody ain't get a charger. Okay, let's charge up the phone. Boop. Show us these messages. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm trying to see what's going on. So I'm surprised they didn't do that at all. But anyway, I think the cops did a decent job. They get a 3 for me. Satisfied. You know what I mean? 3 out of 5. Not bad.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.